going on, guys? I want to show you guys a little bit about what I got going on. Almost got the swap done. Fuse box is in. I got my wiring done so that key on, fuel pump on, powers up the fuse box. What I did is the old power wire from the car that went to the, I believe it was the coil. I had tapped into that for my power source, my key on power source. I'm using all the original starter wiring and everything that was in the car. I still got to put my radiator in, but I pretty much got everything done. Got the hood on. That all lines up. Ready to try it out here in a minute. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, I'm double checking over all the little stuff at the moment. Still need a vacuum line for the fuel pressure regulator. Fuel lines are all hooked up, they don't leak. I've tested the fuel pump and all. I gotta get some more friggin' header bolts. This one here is broken off back here. This one here is broken off in here. I'll mess with those another time. I got another set of heads I'm eventually gonna put on this motor. But I guess let's try it out. Let's see how it goes. Right this second, I don't have any O2 sensors because I'm using the truck headers, and the way the exhaust setup is, it's right up against the frame. And I also don't have a mass airflow. But there's fuel pump. Hell yeah. Well, it runs. That's one step. This is how you 5-3 swap your Cutlass. Stock fuse box. PCM from the Junkyard that we used my buddy's Silverado to disable the Vats system. You can look at my other video and see how to do that. Use pretty much all the wiring from the Cutlass that was already on the carb motor, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.